I think a lesson to be taken here that I think is quite important is that if you have your grandparents and their age of grandparents, really be careful with any kind of flu or cold or something that is not dangerous to kids or young adults, but is dangerous to the elderly. It basically, if your kid's got a runny nose, they should stay away from their grandparents,
Yeah.
no matter what it is. It's the things that are where a young immune system has no problem and an older one has a problem.